Well, the day just got even more interesting. After spending nearly 5 hours now spinning out over a little cicada that I've never ever seen before, I've now got a baby Bluetounge Lizard. Well, I guess I'm going to have to catch him and take him down the local river as well. Animal Day. G'day, mate. He's going under the chair. That's alright. I'll catch you in a minute. Oh, you're a little cutie. Alright, let me catch him. G'day, mate. So I caught him. He's not very happy, but at least you're not going to get eaten by a cat or something. Hey? Yeah, you're a little cutie. So, 5 hours messing around with a tiny little cicada. And now I've got a semi-grown Bluetounge Lizard. Very rare to see them in my yard as well. So I'm going to take this guy and the little cicada down to the river and let him go. Yeah, we're going to let you go, mate. Don't worry. Somewhere safe. Okay? Alright, let's do that. So there you have it. What a weird Sunday. A fire-tailed cicada, Adelaide Firetail Cicada, and a baby Bluetongue. How cool is nature? Alright, let me take these guys down to my local river. We'll let them go. You are a cool little dude. Hey? What's going on, mate? Come on. They do bite. There you go. He just hissed. Hey, buddy. Come on. Get your tail. He just hissed. Making himself all big and fat. See that? That's pretty cool. Alright, let's let him go. Let's not traumatize him. Hey, buddy. You're alright. You're safe. I'll take you away now. Let's go. So I'm down on my local river. And what do you know? Eucalypts and cicadas. That is the sound. Alright, let's get these little guys out of the car and release them. Ah, now you're getting active. You can hear your friends. There you go. One Bluetongue. One Adelaide Firetail. Alright, go for a walk and find somewhere nice to put these guys. Wow, I just missed it. He literally just took off and flew straight up into the trees, where all his friends are. That is awesome. I wasn't even sure if it could fly, because it hasn't tried once, and I've had it for over 5 hours. Alright, your turn, mate. Let's go and find you somewhere to go, hey? Alright. This looks like an alright spot. Creek is dried up though. Interesting, that was full of water the other week. That's interesting. This ground here looks like it's been dragged. It's probably had a bunch of flood debris removed. Alright, let's put this guy down. Here you go, fella. Freedom. Off you go, mate. There he goes. Little Bluetongue. He's made himself all white again. You gonna take off? You'll be right, mate. Better than being in the backyard where some cat's probably gonna eat you. Come on, mate. Off you go. Come on. Off you go. Yeah. Off you go, mate. Too cute. Two freaky animals in one day. Off you go, mate. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Down into the bushes. There you go. There he goes. Oh, awesome. Alright, I feel good. Now, time to head back home. Enjoy your day, people. Ta-ra, mate.